Upfit, a division of exterior and interior upgrader Unplugged Performance, announced that it deployed a Tesla Cybertruck upfitted for law enforcement in California. The project was completed in collaboration with the Irvine Police Department and Tesla and will be used as part of the department's drug abuse resistance education program. The Cybertruck joins the DARE program's list of unique vehicles, which includes other pickups and a PT Cruiser with IPD decals. Upfit designed the Cybertruck to address the needs of first responders and equip the car with multiple features, including a roof-mounted lighting system, integrated rocker panel lighting, and a remote-operated spotlight system. The vehicle's electrical system includes a specially designed wiring harness that supports the mobile data computer, public address systems, and police radios. The electrical system also avoids obstructing rear floor space, which allows for a rifle mounted attached to the underside of the fold-up rear seats. Additionally, the Cybertruck provides various factory features, including ballistic-grade stainless steel, HEPA filtration, bioweapon defense mode, and four-wheel steering. The Irvine Police Department stated on X, the social media site formerly known as Twitter, that while their Cybertruck can respond to emergencies, it will not use the vehicle as a patrol car. Instead, the department will primarily use it for community outreach, including appearances at schools. The Orange County Register reported that the Irvine Police Department spent over $150,000 on the upfitted vehicle, which it plans to use for 10 years. According to IPD, an outfitted Ford Police Interceptor costs around $116,000. However, the department expects the Cybertruck to save around $6,000 in gas over 5 years. I'm Nolan Beilstein, this is Manufacturing Now.